Under-counter ice maker operation guide. When the unit is off, press the on/OFF button to start the unit. The plus and minus buttons are used to adjust the duration of the ice making cycle. Each time you click the plus/minus button, the time will decrease by 1 minute. When no timer is set, press time to clean to enter settings mode. At this point, use the plus/minus buttons to adjust the time. Each time you click the plus/minus button, the time will decrease by 1 hour. Long press the minus button to switch the unit displaying the ambient temperature. Switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Long press the plus button for 5 seconds to activate the Wi-Fi function. While the unit is making ice, press and hold the on/OFF button for more than 5 seconds to initiate a forced ice harvesting cycle. Press on/off to shut down immediately. Press and hold time clean button for 5 seconds. To enter the cleaning mode, stand by only.